Hello students, in the previous days I have sent you the video tenses part 1 and tenses part 2. So in that two videos I have explained you the tenses and their forms. Today we are going to complete the exercise of chapter number 13. See the exercise 1. Recognize and tell the tense and form of each verb used in each sentence. Read the sentence and recognize which tense. Okay. He laughed. Subject, and which verb is this? Verb second form. So it is past simple. Now the next one. I had written an application for leave. Had written. See, had and written. Had in which tense? Had we have in past tense. Written, that is third form of the verb. So had plus third form of the verb, that means past perfect. If you haven't watched tenses video, please do watch it. Now the next one. Kalpana and Kavita were singing a duet song. See the helping verb and the main verb. Okay, were singing. We have where mostly comes in the past tense. We use it in the past tense and first form of the verb plus ing. So it is past continuous. Now I shall be meeting him soon. Shall be meeting. Shall future, be meeting. See first form of the verb plus ing, and we have be and we have future helping verb. So it is future continuous, because we have ing here. Wherever we have ing, it is continuous. Okay, future continuous. And the next one, they will have finished the work. Will have finished. Will future. Have mostly it comes in the perfect finished, third form of the verb. So it is future perfect. The students had been playing for 2 hours. Had been playing. Had past tense. Been, when do we use it? We use it perfect continuous. And which perfect continuous? Past perfect continuous. We have this. Okay, past perfect continuous. The students who have watched the tenses video, they can easily solve this exercise. Now next one. I have seen the Taj Mahal in moonlight. Have seen. Have perfect. Seen third form of the verbs. Have, it is present. Okay, it is not had. Agar had hota to past hota, but we have here. So it is present perfect. Next one. The children will celebrate Diwali next week. Will celebrate. Will celebrate. First form of the verb and will. So it is future simple. Next. Surabh had wished to become a doctor. Had wished. Had, of course, it comes in the past perfect. Wished, yes, it's third form of the verb and it is past perfect. Now the last one. The baby has been weeping for 10 minutes. Has, it usually used in present tense. Been weeping. So it is present perfect continuous. Okay, so we have finished exercise 1. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are, was, or were. So you need to understand the sentence. If the sentence is about past tense, then we have to write the helping verbs was or were. If the sentence is about present, then you have to write the helping verbs is, am, are. See here. Columbus dash a famous sailor of 15th century. So this sentence, by reading this sentence, we understood that it's about 15th century. That means past. So we wrote was. Why? Because we have only singular subject. Now, he was a great sportsman. See, either we can write is or we can write was. Both are correct. He is a great sportsman. अभी भी वो great sportsman है. You can write he was a great sportsman. वो था great. So it's up to you. It's your wish. You want to write was or is. So understand the sentences and you need to write the answer. We dash waiting for you. So come quickly. वेटिंग फॉर यू सो कम क्विकली. अभी आया नहीं है मतलब कि प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन है. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू सो कम क्विकली. सो अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशंस. ओके, देन यू नीड टू फिल अप. वी न्यू दैट योर मदर डैश ए गॉड फियरिंग लेडी. वी न्यू, हमें पता था दैट योर मदर वॉज ए गॉड फियरिंग लेडी. आई एम वेरी सैड टू हियर दिस न्यूज जस्ट नाउ. सी द ट्रिक हियर, जस्ट नाउ. तो क्या है इसका मतलब प्रेजेंट है. सो यू हैव टू यूज एम हियर बिकॉज द सब्जेक्ट इज आई. ओके, नाउ लास्ट ईयर, सी पास्ट टेंस. ऑलरेडी हमें हिंट मिल गया. पास्ट टेंस लास्ट ईयर देयर वेयर ए गुड नंबर ऑफ deer. ओके, इन दिस पार्क. You cannot write was, only where. There were. Now exercise 3, has, have or had. Has and have we use for present. Had we use for past. Has कब यूज़ करते? for singular subject. Have we use for plural subject. Had we can use for both singular as well as for plural. Wait, I dash something to tell you. I have something to tell you. रुको, मुझे कुछ बोलना है ना. Okay, so I have. He has been talking about you just now. It is just now है तो present. He has. Long time back we dash left the house. We had left the long time back. Past tense है ना तो had. Dash you taken your breakfast? Have you taken your breakfast? Yeah. Okay, it's a question, so obviously it will be a present. Now once he dash a palace to live in. Once मतलब past tense हो गया. एक time था. He had a palace to live in. They dash a good reputation in this town. They have a good reputation in this town. You can also write had. It's okay. Both are correct. They had a good reputation in this town. अभी नहीं है. और they have a good reputation. मतलब उनका अच्छा status है इस town पे. Okay. Now exercise 4 and 5 and also the 6th exercise you are supposed to write in your notebooks. See what you have to do. Exercise 5. Turn each sentence into its. Okay, first fourth one. Turn each sentence into its negative form. Okay, Raghu has fallen from the tree. This sentence you have to change to negative form. So after the helping verb, please add not. Then that's enough. It will change into negative sentence. See, Raghu has not fallen from the tree. Helping verb के बाद हमने क्या लगाया? Not. So it has become negative sentence. No, I am not. See, I am singing. I am not singing. The teacher taught. The teacher had not taught me English. Okay. Otherwise, you can write the teacher did not. No, here we have taught. Third form of the verb कब होता है? Had में होता है. So that's why we used here had. हम did क्यों नहीं use किया? Because we have here third form of the verb. Or we can say second form, but we used here had not. Okay, now they will come to our house. They will not come to our house. Can you see the answers here? Yeah, so copy down in your notebook. Okay, that's easy. Now next exercise, turn each sentence into its interrogative form. Interrogative में करने के लिए क्या करना है? Pick up this helping verb to the front. Then automatically it will get into the form of interrogative sentence. Okay, now see, Geeta and Gayatri are watching the TV. Are Geeta and Gayatri watching the TV? Question mark. Question mark is very important. If that is not there, then you will lose your marks. So be careful. They all were praying to God. What is the helping verb here? Were. So take it that out. Were they? Then write it as it is. Then put a question mark. That's it. Harish writes a letter. See here we have the simple present simple sentence. So जब यहाँ पे हमें क्या है, helping verb नहीं है, so at that time you have to write does. Why does? Because there is singular subject. अगर plural subject होते तो do लिखते हैं, do they write a letter, but we have here writes and we have singular subject, so we have written. To make it in a question form, उनको interrogative में बनाने के लिए we used the helping verb does. Does Harish write a letter? The team shall be going to Agra soon. See, shall the team be going to Agra soon, or you can write will the team be going to Agra soon. That is also correct. Okay, shall, will, you can use any one. I shall buy a book. Shall I buy a book? Okay, did you understand? Pick out the helping verb, put it in the front, and rest of the things you just copy down as it is and put a question mark. That's it. That's very easy. Okay, this is how you need to write in your notebook. Write the question also and the answers. So exercise 5 is done. Now exercise 6. Turn each sentence into its negative interrogative form. That means you have to make it in negative also and also in interrogative. नेगेटिव होना चाहिए और क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. Babish will wait for me. Will Babish not wait for me? See, we took the helping verb here to make it interrogative form, and we have added not here so that it will become a negative interrogative sentence. Will Babish not wait for me? Here what you have to do is take out the helping verb, then after the subject write not. Okay. See, Charu plays with me. I told you, no, Charu. Here we have present simple sentence. We do not have the helping verb. तो हमने क्या किया, does लिखा. Why? Because we have the singular subject. Does Charu, subject, not. After the subject, just write not. Not play with them. Does Charu not play with them? Question mark. Don't write plays, okay? Does Charu not play with them? So, the rest of the answers, please complete it in your notebook. So with this video we finish the exercises of chapter number 13. The next video will finish chapter number 14. Thank you.